Okay, Dons and Divas. It's Friday night. It's Dashiki and Jeans. I am on my way down. As you can see, I can see the event from my hotel room. I love it. Look at them. Hey. So I'm about to go down and join them. All right, Dons and Divas, I have gotten ready. It took me a minute. I have not really slept since I got here. I got here yesterday morning, which was Thursday, and for some reason, I couldn't sleep last night. So I got up super early this morning and worked out. Still couldn't go to sleep. So I guess around 2, I finally fell asleep. So I'm taking a long way because the floor downstairs is really hard to walk on, but here, let me see, y'all see what I have on here. It's carpet, so it's really easy to walk on. And let's go see how the dashiki and jeans, which y'all see I don't have on either. I gotta get it right. I just can't quit because one of these funnies picking up sleep with people that were secret my eyes. One pull up my spot, cause we both got hot. Now check, I got more back than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to keep the news. Hey! Shoot a white players, jump in the river and come over, tell your friends you're in the GM3. I got the couch by the trees. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. So the homies getting money, playing fellas like the tonight, that should be happening, my baby. Mama told me I was coming to love fuck the world and think that it just one quick sheet.
Come here, come talk to me.
Okay. Say hey, Gino.
Hello, everybody. Let the dance explosion. Lady Margaret, we're gonna get it in tomorrow.
What?
I'm gonna make an announcement for your workshop.
Okay.
We're gonna get out here. I want Lady Margaret out there and let people see what she gonna do. We got this workshop coming at 1:30.
Talk about the Red Boot Contest.
They ain't ready to get that money.